But what if you are only trained by only half of the information? What if you only were trained on half of the information? Only a small part of the actual info? Then your world would look a lot like this, right? Because it's missing. It's missing all the knowledge, right? It's missing data. Half of the information, because in life we all live in different cities, different countries, different worlds. And it's only a certain type of information that a lot of times you're getting exposed to. But what if you had all the information? Now your world would be a lot bigger. You'd have more ideas, more community members, more experiences. So you'll have a big world, right? Small world. So the reason I give you this example is this. Is because if you're missing information, that's how you can create what I call bias. And if you're only trained on one part of the truth, then you can form a bias, because remember, AI is looking for patterns and examples off of data to make predictions based on the examples. And you can form a bias, which is dangerous. That's the danger of artificial intelligence. The bias that it can create. In other words, China. They're trained on a whole different set of data than we are here in the States. Right? Iran. They're training their AI robot based on a whole different type of data. Korea. North Korea. You don't know what they're training their AI on, right? But what if data is updated of an individual who is a racist? And that's all the data that they have ever uploaded, like a child. So in other words, this is like a child